Hi there, in this tutorial we will learn how to remove spot from face in Adobe Photoshop. So let's take a look how I will remove spot from face in Adobe Photoshop. So at first we have to open our exercise file, so therefore we have to click file menu and from there we will go for open option. Inside our exercise file you will get this retouching folder. You have to open this retouching folder and then you will get spot on face image. You have to select this spot on face image and then you have to click open. Okay, here is our image and you can take a look. In this face it have some spots of acne. So here is a spot, here is one, and here is some spots, and we will remove these spots using Adobe Photoshop. And Adobe Photoshop have an awesome tool named Spot Healing Brush Tool. So here is the Spot Healing Brush Tool. You have to use this Spot Healing Brush Tool. So let's click on this Spot Healing Brush Tool, and please make sure the type should be content error. So let's start removing the spots. So you just have to click on the spot by brush. So let me show you. Here is a spot and you just have to click once and you can take a look. Spot is removed. And let's remove this one, this spot. You just have to select the area where you want to remove the spot. So I want to remove the spot from here, so you just have to click once. You can take a look, it's gone, and here is one, gone. And in here it's have a big acne and we will remove this. So let's zoom in the image by pressing Ctrl or Command plus sign from keyboard. And right now we will remove this spot and we have to place this spot inside the brush circle and then we have to click our mouse left button. You can take a look, it's gone, and you can click twice. Okay, looks good. So this is how I will remove spot from face in Adobe Photoshop by using Spot Healing Brush Tool. So see you in next lesson.